You see, I saw Nigerians jubilating. I don't know what happened. They said they saw snow somewhere and they were jubilating that finally Nigeria is going to get better with snow, blah, 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 blah. Last time, the GO, Adeboye, the Yoruba church, useless church, was saying he said he was going to Texas in the air. He prayed to God that the weather was not conducive, so he asked God to change change his plans. Instead of snow to fall. To start with, it is not God that makes snow to fall. Because of those of you in those churches, when they tell you one garbage, you don't dissect it, you don't reason with your head, you just take it. Let me tell you people in a nutshell. I will show you snow now. This is where we are suffering, struggling, looking for daily bread, and we are under this condition. You can see, you see, everywhere is snow. Look, everywhere is snow. People are praying for Nigeria to have this type of weather, this shit weather. We call it shit weather because you know why it's shit weather? No one can survive 2-3 hours outside under this shit weather. And that is why we tell this is bicycle. Eating up these cars, look, cars eaten up by snow everywhere. So if you are making your prayers and you are believing God that snow is a good thing, please, it's not a good thing. If you stay outside 3 hours, you will be a dead person. Everywhere is, you know what is cold? Minus 5-7 degrees. If you stay outside just 2 hours, you're a dead man, you're a dead woman. So I urge all of you that go to church and pray. Never you pray for this kind of weather. It is never favorable. You can see how I wrap up my head, wrap up all my body. Probably I'm putting on about 4 to 5 clothes inside to guide myself, to guide my ribs, to guide all my body from not being frozen under this condition. This is what we are saying. Nigeria cannot boast of 3 hours electricity and you are praying for cold. Who is going to save you? From your number one to the last man. Honorable, those ones they call, what is their name? I don't even remember. The last politician in the villages. You understand? All of them are useless and corrupt. I say it with bold mind, with bold feelings. Nothing is happening. Nothing they happen. Because number one to the last man, they are all criminals and they are all thieves and they are useless. Many of them come outside, they see how things are done. This is the real for the tram, for the metro. Nigeria don't have it. Maybe they will have it in Abuja, they have it in one other useless place. All those places they even have it are still useless. No electricity to power anything. Don't pray for this weather. It is a shit weather. And don't believe anybody that where snows fall is a nice place. We are suffering in abroad. This is what we do in abroad to make those millions and billions you are thinking that we are enjoying. This is where we make it. Very soon now, as the snow is still on the ground, it's slippery. If you see what is happening, it's still slippery. You can see, but it's not yet slippery. This is just the build-up. Within tomorrow and next tomorrow, if the snow does not fall anymore, as I'm talking to you, many cars, trucks, today, too many accidents everywhere. The snow is still falling. It has not finished falling. So accident everywhere. Nigeria that cannot manage anything, they are praying for snow to fall. Say God forbid. God forbid. I stop here and I stop here. For real. Say God forbid. This is snow. It must not happen to anybody in Nigeria. This snow is not a good thing. See how people are wrapped up, completely wrapped up. Everybody is wrapped up. You can see it yourself. I don't need to tell you. You can see how people cover their head. This cannot happen. It cannot. If it happen in Nigeria, almost half of the population will be dead because nobody will save them. I stop here.